Hello, my name is CJ, and today's procedure is how to add a SharePoint document library to your File Explorer. Meaning, have it appear over here and in this directory. Right now, as you can see, I already have one mapped, but I'm going to show you how to map a new one. So we can close this. Let's go to office.com. Click sign in. I'm already signed in with my Lakecourt email and password, but I will sign out really quick. To show everyone how to do it. So that's signing me out. Let's go back to office.com. Sign in. Alright, so I'm going to use CGL to Lakecourt. You'll just have to type it in if it's not already there. My password's already saved, but then you just click sign in. And you go to SharePoint. As you see, I already have it saved as a favorite as well. Okay, I already have it recent as the one I need, which is warehouse operations, but if you need to find your SharePoint sites, you just go up here, and there it is. Okay, go to the document library you need. In this case, mine's right here under documents. And you're going to see all of these folders and files. In this case, I don't need all of this. And actually, I just need date modified, newer to older. There we go. Okay, so this is the folder I need. If you need to add the entire document library, you can just hit sync right now, but I just need one folder in this example, so I'm just clicking to inventory adjustment registers. And I'm going to want every month. Right now it's just January, but eventually it'll be through December and other years. So I want this entire folder, so I'm going to hit sync. But if you did need just January, you could click into here and then click sync. But let's go back to inventory adjustment registers, select sync. You can always allow and hit open. It may ask for sign-in credentials if you haven't used OneDrive before, so to sign in with your Lakecourt email and password if you need to. As you see, you got that notification. Right, we can close this. And let's open back up File Explorer. And as you see, I now have my inventory adjustment registers right here. And let's just say, for example, there's January. Let's do a test to show you how it all works. Just go to my documents. And I'm just going to do a test upload. So let's do this just for example, then close this. As you see, it's now syncing and then it's synced. And there's the file I just uploaded. And that is how you add a document library to your File Explorer.